Yes. So, tapos mo na yan. Inunahan mo na yung video ni Mami. Okay po. Oh, ang gagawin mo, ganyan ha. Hanapin mo yung kaparehas niya, okay?
Okay.
Anong next sa 0? Anong next sa 0? Tingnan mo nga dito, anong next sa 0? Anong next sa 0? Anong number ang next sa 0?
1.
Oh, asan yung 1 dito? Yes. Kunin ka ng pink na color na tapos connect mo siya.
Yeah.
Very good.
Where's number 1? Yes! She's hiding in the door.
Asan yung Asan yung isa pang 1?
Mami!
Asan yung isa pang 1? Bilisan mo Asan yung isa pang 1?
Here.
Very good. Yung
There's another one.
Okay po.
2, 1.
Pag-connect mo na siya.
Oops. It's okay, Mommy.
Very good 1.
Wow, she's
Very good. Anong next sa 1? Anong number ang next sa 1?
2.
Very good.
This is red and 2.
Asan yung isa? Very good. Connect mo na.
Okay, number red.
Number red? Color red?
Color red.
Careful.
Be careful with pink.
Asan next ng number 2?
Now, number 3.
Very good.
This is yellow
Okay
number
po.
3.
Tinitingnan niya to. Hindi niya alam yung sunod.
There's number 3. I read it.
Anong color?
Number 3.
Anong color ng number 3?
Yellow. Tony is black.
Okay po.
It's for girls and boys.
Very good.
Black is yellow.
3 na. Connect mo na yung 3. Sa taas ka lagi mag-uumpisa.
She's waiting.
Next sa number 3.
Now.
Next sa number 3.
4. Yay! Where's 4? And where's 4? Here.
Very good.
Okay, where's number 4? It's not 4.
Opo.
Where's that one? Green.
Very good.
I got it.
Next sa number 4.
Now it's number 5.
Very good.
Wait. My chair. Now my chair.
Next sa number 4.
Number 5.
Anong color ni 5?
This is 5.
Very good. Asan yung 5 dyan?
Number 5.
Asan yung isa?
Yellow.
Asan yung isa?
Yellow, blue.
Anong yellow, blue?
Baby blue.
Yun, baby blue.
White blue. Baby blue. Yes. Yes. Baby blue. Baby blue.
Very
He's
good.
like an eyes.
Anong na next sa 5?
6. There's 6.
Opo.
Where is 6?
Saan yung 6 dyan?
Wait. Let's wait. I found it.
Saan yung 6 na isa?
Where's number 6? Where is it? Let's see. I don't know where it's at.
Lapin mo, isa-isahin mo.
It's just like purple.
Use mo yung hand mo, wag yan.
Here.
Yes.
Here to the handy is 5.
Anong next sa ano? Ay, connect mo na siya.
4. So number purple.
Color purple.
Yeah, purple. Yay! I found it. Where we're gonna do?
Anong next sa 6? Anong next sa number 6?
7.
Very good.
My neck is so hurts. We're gonna face it here.
O, asan yung 7 dyan? 7? Ah, 7 ba yan?
No.
Oh,
Where is she?
7. Yun.
Yeah, the orange. Where can I wait?
Wala orange dyan. Dito lang.
Where is she?
Dyan. Ang daming dyang orange. Oh, yun. Oh, yun.
No orange. Oh. Where's another one? Where's number 7?
Hanapin mo muna.
Where's 2 7s?
Hanapin mo muna yung isa.
I don't know. Where's another 7? There is in
Tagal.
number 5.
Oh, next ng number 7. Anong next sa number 7?
8.
Okay.
Where is 8?
Asan yung 8 na isa?
He's number
connect mo na.
3. He's finding number 3. Number black. Black.
Color. Anong
Color
number?
black. Black. She's right
Anong
there.
next sa 8?
What number is this?
Ang kanina mo pa nire-review yan.
This is mommy.
Anong number yan?
I don't know.
Oh, count ka.
1, 2,
Ano? Ano to?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.
Oh, 9. Oh, go. Lagi mong nakakalimutan yung 9 at saka 10.
Where is
Anong color yan?
that's number blue.
Color
This
blue.
is silver red. I found it.
Very good.
There's this Tiwi now. Yeah, and here.
Opo.
That's one of Tiwi words.
Sinadya kong hindi magkamukha kasi minsan iba-iba ang 9, pati yung 7, tsaka yung 8. Para alam mo lahat ng mukha nila. Pati yung number 3, magkaiba rin yung mukha minsan. Oh, next. Anong next sa 9?
What number is this?
Ano yung number na yan?
Let's count the together.
Oh,
Let's count.
count.
1, 2. Oh, yeah, we'll try again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10.
10.
Yeah, that's 10. It's pink pen. Pink pen.
Asan yung 10? Di mo pa hinahanap yung isang 10.
Where is she?
Oh, saan ka na? Naligaw ka na. Oh, very good.
I found it.
Yeah, finish. Oh, say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.